Suzuki has a special treat in store for fans of classic sports bikes. The legendary Suzuki GS1150ES, first launched in 1983, is back and better than ever. Get ready for a reboot of this iconic street bike. The legendary motorcycle from the 80s is back. The sleek yet sturdy front fairing, combined with the signature 80s rectangular headlight, gives the bike an incredible, aggressive, and aerodynamic look. The sharp, clean lines of the body exude design perfection, while metallic colors with minimalist striping add a touch of elegance and sportiness, making this bike a true showstopper. The 80s Suzuki GS1150ES is still remembered as one of the most iconic sports bikes of all time. This incredible work of automotive engineering art epitomizes boldness, innovation, and design beauty. Guess what? There are rumors that the legendary bike might be produced again as a lineup for 2026. Want to know more about the updates? Well, you're in luck because we got the details on the 2026 new Suzuki GS1250ES. Appearance-wise, the bike retains the distinctive design lines of the 80s. The front fairing remains dominant with the iconic rectangular headlight, a design element that is very synonymous with the old GS1150ES. Suzuki also retains the flowing body lines, bold fuel tank, and simple yet characterful stern. The red and white color scheme combined with the classic Suzuki logo further adds to the elegant retro feel. In addition, the bike still looks solid thanks to the aerodynamic and ergonomic proportions of the fairing and body. Modern 5-spoke alloy wheels and metallic detailing add to the retro sports bike street-ready vibe. While its looks carry a classic feel, the heart of the GS1250ES has received significant enhancements. The bike uses an updated 1,140 cubic centimeters inline-four cylinder engine that meets the latest Euro 5 emission standards. Modern fuel injection technology replaces the classic carburetor system, delivering powerful yet more efficient and environmentally friendly performance. Unfortunately, this is just an AI-generated motorcycle rendering, but if this is the case, then Suzuki has succeeded in creating a bike that evokes the nostalgia of classic motorcycle lovers, while also appealing to a new generation of riders.